What if your power went out and the only thing standing between your family and a hot meal is this tiny little box? No electricity? No problem. And honestly, this might be one of the most important things in your house. If you're new here, I'm MJ, your refrigerator illuminator. I make shelf-stable meals, lazy cooking hacks, so you never have to rely on your fridge or power. Because when the grid goes down, dinner still needs to happen. I get so many comments of people talking about how they can't cook because they don't have a gas stove like I do. Well, this is the solution. I decided to do an entire video on the solution. If you do not have a gas stove, you can still cook, and it is wicked cheap and amazing. This is the Gas One portable butane camping stove. And I'm not kidding. This little guy has completely changed the way I look at power outages, camping trips, or honestly, when I don't feel like using my real stove. So it all fits snug right inside this box here, like so. So it can store easy and out of the way. It weighs like 3 pounds. It is so compact. You just flip this upside down, stick it in the case, and you're good. You can literally just toss it in your pantry, your car, your emergency kit. No bulky equipment, no setup stress. So easy. Now, watch this, because this is where it really gets good. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open the side here, and you're gonna have an 8-ounce can of butane. And you're gonna slide it right in here. It's super easy. There's a little guide. Click it down, and you're just gonna push this button. That locks your butane in place. You are safe and ready to go. No tools, no confusion. No, where does this part go? Am I breathing gas? It even has a safety feature that will eject the can if something's off. So it's not just easy, it's smart as well. Now, the best part, this knob right here. It starts in the off position. So to turn it on, all you have to do is turn it all the way down to the bottom, click it, and it lights like that. No matches, no lighter, no drama. That's the built-in automatic ignition. And once you use it, you'll never go back. I will say it clearly states outdoor use only. I'm demonstrating inside, but I have to say that you need to use it outside on a porch or open a lot of windows. Do not let it near anything flammable. I put it on a cookie sheet with an open window and it works great, but you need to make sure you do as the manufacturer recommends. This thing puts out 7,650 BTUs. It gets hot. Like, it boils like that, but it cooks evenly. It's actually super quiet. I don't know if you ever used a gas heater. Those things sound like jet engines. So you turn it on. Can you even hear that? Go up to my mic. You can't hear anything. Now, you're gonna need to buy these 8-ounce cans of butane. And one will last about an hour and a half if cooking on high, and 3 to 4 hours if cooking on low, and they cost about $2 each. Online, this goes for about $20. You cannot beat the price. Link below. I was shocked when I saw how much this cost, or didn't cost. So you can use this for power outages, pantry meals, camping, and honestly, just lazy cooking days when you feel like cooking outside. Because why not make life easier? This is what I love most. It's small, it's simple, and it works every time. Turn the flip, it's on. And when everything else fails around you, this is keeping your family fed. So if you're serious about emergency prep, easy cooking, or just getting out of dinner jail, you need one of these portable butane gas cooktops. If you want more easy shelf-stable meals in your life, follow me and check out loadedpotato.org. I'll show you how to build a pantry and a cooking setup that works no matter what. And I'll help you get your family prepared for whatever may come, a busy Thursday or the apocalypse. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.